I once found mindless brutes uninspiring. Crude muscle, no vision. But even blanks hold potential when wired to my design and my ambition. Your powers of attention are lacking, but even you can grasp what I require. Listen closely, this is succession we're discussing. A legacy, a vessel, an empire. It's written in the way the world trembles. Symbols crack, peace grows thin. We're speaking of heirs and dominion. Even you must sense what's to begin. So prepare for the turn of an era. Be prepared for history's cue. A brand new order is crossing the border. And where do we feature? Attend your teacher. Yes, ordered to saints, but richly rewarded when at last I'm paid my due. And justice deliciously squared. Be prepared. Be prepared. Prepared for what? For the fall of the symbol? Is he sick? No! Finished, and the successor as well. One for all ends with him. No symbol. No symbol. La 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 la. Idiots. There will be a ruler. But you said, I will rule. Stand with me, and you will never hunger for power again. Yeah! Long live the Lord. Long live the Lord. How grand to be connected to a Lord the ages will adore. Of course, quid pro quo, you're expected to shoulder practical chores. The future is littered with prizes, and though I'm the prime addressee, the point I must emphasize is you'll touch none of it without me. So prepare for the coup of the century. Prepare for the murkiest plan.